Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to recover a Yahoo account without a phone number or email. Sometimes you may need to recover your Yahoo account, but you don't have access to your phone number or recovery email. This can happen if you lost your phone, changed your number, or forgot your recovery details. Yahoo allows alternative sign-in options, like using a linked Google account, so you can safely regain access to your account. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Then search for Yahoo and click on the first link to go to the official website. Now, click on Sign In from the top right corner to open the login page. Here, if you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Username. As you can see, it will ask for a recovery email or phone number. If you don't have access to them, go back and enter your Yahoo email instead, then click Next. Now click on Forgot Password to start the password recovery process. Here, select Sign In with Google. This works if your Yahoo account is linked to a Gmail account, allowing you to recover it without using a phone number or recovery email. Next, click on your Gmail account that is linked to your Yahoo account. Once selected, you will be signed in through Google. Now click on Next, then Read, and click Agree to confirm. After that, your Yahoo account will be successfully recovered, and you can access all your emails, contacts, and settings without needing your phone number or recovery email. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.